I have to build a big leaning scaffold, and this is designed by putting a board here, these boards here, screwing them together so it's easy to take apart after. Leaning scaffold, getting on your roof or repairing siding. Things look good. And we use Robertson type screws. They're much better than the Star ones. See the square there? Square tip. Robinson's easy in, easy out. Hassle free. It's actually a Canadian invention. Robertson. Probably some guy named Robertson. I have to check that on the internet, but when I was in construction 50 years back, I was told Robertson Canadian invention. You know what? Maybe it's Robertson. Okay, now we've got these. And then what we're going to do is we're going to stand this up. We're going to spread these to make spreaders. Yeah, you could do that if we don't have any more. Well, that's for the camper, too.